Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install and use the AVG Antivirus app, then watch this video. So it's very simple folks, just go to Windows Store and you look for AVG and you click on AVG Antivirus. Then you click on Get. Now I have already installed it because this is a very heavy app. It's around 584 or 600 MB. It'll take some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. So once you click on Get, AVG will install and then you can search for it here or it will also pop up by itself. Another way that you can download AVG if you do not want to use Windows Store is you can search for the AVG download and you can click on this link here and then you can click on download, free download, or you have to buy AVG. Now it will say welcome, please start here. So you can run the smart scan immediately and it will scan for any antivirus or malware. And then you can make sure that your computer protection is on. You can turn on the file shield, the behavior shield, and you can also make sure that your web and email shields are on and protected. Then you can also check for hacker attacks, but this is only if you purchase the paid version. And you can also open the firewall, enhanced firewall, so this will protect you from malware. And that's about it folks. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.